Okay, Algebra 2, final exam. Practice number 538. It feels like. Okay, number 56. We need to get the x all by itself, so we'll divide everything by 3 to start with. So x to the 3/4 power equals, well, 24 divided by 3 is 8. To get our 3/4 power, we're going to multiply, or take each side to the 4/3 power. Because 3/4 times 4/3 cancels, and it just gives you x to the first power. 8 to the 4/3. Alright, well that can be rewritten in radical form as a third root of 8 to the 4th power. Now all of you guys know that the third root of 8 is 2, so we need 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th is equal to 16. Alright, so there's number 56. Alright, moving on. State the percent growth or decay. Alright, on your note sheet you better have the standard form of a growth or decay problem. Y equals a times 1 plus or minus the rate to the t. If it's in this form, a is the initial amount, r is the rate of increase or decrease, and t is the time. Okay, so looking at this, 2 times 1.12 to the x. If I write it in this form, it'd be 1 plus 0.12 to the x. Since it's plus, it's growth. And the rate of growth is 0.12 or 12%. All right. For b, the initial amount is 8. Then if I rewrite this, 8 times 1 minus, well, 1 minus what equals 0.73? 1 minus 0.27 to the x. So since it's subtracting, it's decay. And the rate is 0.27 or 27%. All right, so there's 57, A and B. 58. Describe the transformation. Oh, where'd it go? There we go. Now, first of all, because the 2 is negative, it's a reflection over the x-axis. Now, x minus 3, whatever happens to x slides the graph left or right. And remember, inside lies. Whatever happens to the x is considered inside. So it moves it ahead to the right 3 spaces. Okay, so it's a reflection of x-axis and moves it right 3 places. Okay, now to actually do some graphing. 59. First of all, y equals 2 to the x minus 3. So the graph is shifted down 3 to negative 3. So right here. Now all we need to do is put in some values for x, figure out what y is, and plot them. I think I'm going to go 0, 1, and 2. If x is 0, 2 to 0 is 1, minus 3 is negative 2. 2 to the 1 is 2, minus 3 is negative 1. 2 squared is 4, minus 3 is positive 1. So at 0 it's negative 2, 1 it's negative 1, and at 2 it's 1. Alright, so it's exponential growth, and it will look up just like this. Alright, so that's 59. 60. Oh, 59b. Alright. Here is shifted up 1, so the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 1. Same thing, we're just going to put in values for x. Get a few points and sketch it. Let's go with 0, 1, and 2. If x is 0, 0.75 to 0 power is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0.75 to the first power is 0.75 plus 1 is 1.75. Okay, 0.75 times 2. Oh, sorry, 0.75 squared. I'm going to grab a calculator. What's 0.75 squared? Oh well, whatever it is, it's going to be a bigger number. So 0, 2, 1, 1.75. 9/16? Okay. Oh, duh. There you go. 9/16 plus 1, 1 and 9/16. That was Mr. D. He knows what he's talking about. The graph will go like this. Okay, so that's the graph of part B for 59. Thanks, Mr. D. Okay, I'll do the rest on the next video.